Ashafo, we gave you some updates some few weeks ago. Say Abucha, in fact, he spent Christmas in jail. Abranti, Emmanuel Kumi. As you can see him, and I said, your friend Mr. Kumi, Emmanuel also. But I mean, can say, based on the fact, say the Federal Bureau of Investigation says that this man was engaged in fraudulent activities. He, together with other 2 people. Now, ultimately, the United States of America and the FBI seek to extradite him to the United States of America to face charges for romance scam. Now, I told you from the beginning of this particular case that the US actually had no case because the fact that Abucha was basically flaunting wealth on social media, it triggered them. And then I said that if Abucha was able to get good lawyers, he will be ultimately able to go scot-free. And here, Oliver Baka together with Abucha and a lawyer, they've been able to do something basically not unthinkable. And also kudos to Ghana for Mukasa Bibri question the motive for this particular man's arrest. Now we learned this particular morning say Freddie Kumi, I'm seeing Manokumi Manokumi Miami for me anyway. Nakok rearrest Freddie Kumi, aka Abucha, at the Accra High Court after he was discharged by the Gbese District Court. So last time, Omuku PM court, we gave you the update. Say, your friend is saying, courts, say states are. Case now state pushing FBI push say extradite and extradite Abucha courts say omodwen ho as a case strong sir because how can you say so be a fraud or the number court or evidence away here the say nipa na fraud fine US then the United States of America and I'll say omoka say extradite the person based on fraudulent charge, but at least you can't prove a person is guilty without you taking the person through a trial. Inti acquire back and forth. Emma courts on Eka say, Dianka was here, Abucha bill, the courts Eka so more combra or medrin or modrin was soon and anope Yama Abucha bill. To show the whole screen so this is what the lawyer of Freddie Kumi, aka Abucha, a postier or Sergeant for Oliver Baka Vomo. Or say, just finished at the Gbese District Court. Abucha and 2 others have been discharged. Nakok just tried to rearrest them inside the courtroom. Judge is offended. So, a brad judge, a man who can say, these people, Abucha and co, case now, they bar against them, as a case, so we are not saying, say, ultimately, they should be free, but then they are giving the opportunity for Abucha to be bailed. Now, states, on courts, now states, in some prepare the case, the state should once again prepare his case because Kasinipa na a fraud. Where is the supporting document? Now the lawyer involved it almost implicated or made the case of Abucha worse or the same tuja, and this time around you could see say he was very soft toned because amount of one is a massa kasa ye. Now your statement can either implicate your client in a deep mess or not. What could say Abucha, the lawyer Eddie Tuja explaining say indeed you're granting the client any bill, but the shocking thing is immediately a grant say the client any bill and a group of men from Monaco or basically the Narcotics Control Board. One more almost storming the court premises, arrested again Abucha in Rambo style. Adanya, we don't know. Until you share this particular video involved of what the lawyer said. Babaka, definitely there's more angles to this particular story. We will definitely be looking at all of this particular out there. But before then, you could see in Sema Freddie Kumi, the lawyer no Odi Tuja about some of the things that happened. Some of Nema is here our court premises and even the way forward. Abucha, you see a search in Bium after a bail, what is the way forward? You share this particular video. Babaka, we will continue this particular.
They have been discharged by the court after the state or the Attorney General withdrew the charges against them. What are your comments?
Well, that's what we've been seeing from day one. The state had nothing against the 2 others. So that's what we prayed for from day one. And if the Attorney General has seen light in that and done the needful, we welcome the decision of the court.
So you're just waiting for them to actually be discharged because we realize that they're not
taken back to the narcotics headquarters. I'm yet to know why they are there, but I believe it's for administrative purposes. So whatever transpires there, I'll let you know.
Okay, all right, thank you so much.
Okay, so that was Abucha, the lawyer, and Sema on the two jar or patches. Indeed, the clients, and ultimately, at the end of the day, it is a ye sound so ye jano, sorry, ye belly, and at the end of the day, ye sound so ebechini bill. And basically, what patches say, Siaro, or Mudi Omini Edge, the Narcotics Control Board, because they want to know why he was arrested in the first place. So that is the issue. At the end of the day, many people are actually talking about this. It is a good thing, but ultimately, it is Obia Airshare. Now, for those of you who know how filthy rich Abucha is, and how this whole case is going, and even what will happen, I think so we have a new snippet of how Abucha the mansion, I just say a year center of attraction. This case, Omujina Swaka Abucha was Kabe Shadan, we see Okonye scanner where he yen FBI someone say I don't know front wolf on course school that these are cases are omoka. It's a share a brief video in Saka detailing how Abucha a mansion see ya. In fact, FBI phone home chrome shomo, and that is why I'm paying your cast will be BFC. Bible no cracker say what your right hand would do, your left hand shouldn't see it. So that is exactly what is really going on. We will take a brief look at this particular video. Babaka at the IMF Kamya say omodo omonsa abo bonsam eni bonsam omodi ni bonsam omodi omonsa woni ni John Dramani Mahama, because Kamya say Mahama is pissed off. Mahama is pissed off pass mu IMF for mo na mobeka say your gold board any Bank of Ghana no yeah, in fact, you could see say for the first time, Opana, that's why it's yepa. So we'll be watching, we'll be going to that. But before then, you could see a brief video of the extravagant mansion, Abeya Talk of Town. I'm talking about the Abucha mansion. Yeah, Babaka, we have more updates for you right here on this particular platform, Pinaxtv. So we'll be taking a look at this particular video once again. Yeah, Babaka, we will definitely continue with this particular updates.
Here's one of the biggest mansions in Africa, Ghana. Trica's house inside Swedru.
He's done miracles on